Ano nga ba ang tazarotene and pwede nga ba itong gamitin para sa acne? So ang tazarotene guys ay isang prescription retinoid medication and it's a vitamin A derivative katulad ng tretinoin na ginagamit din natin para sa acne. Sa ngayon in dermatology, ginagamit ang tazarotene sa mga skin conditions kagaya ng plaque psoriasis and acne, and sometimes ginagamit din ito para sa mga pasyente na may sun damaged skin para matulungang i-improve ang kanilang skin wrinkles and hyperpigmentation. So maaaring i-prescribe ang tazarotene para sa acne dahil ito ay nakakatulong upang mag-normalize ang skin turnover around the hair follicles. Nakakatulong ito sa acne dahil ito din ay maaaring mag-reduce ng inflammation and also shows antimicrobial effects. So in terms naman sa effects guys, may mga studies na nagpapakita na mas mabilis ang onset ng effects ng tazarotene compared sa other retinoids kagaya ng tretinoin in terms of acne. Ganun din guys in terms of effectivity. So may mga studies na napapakita na ang tazarotene ay maaaring maging mas effective compared sa tretinoin in terms of addressing non-inflammatory and inflammatory acne. But in terms of the overall effect naman, so may mga study na nagpapakita na baka wala masyadong significant difference in terms of the overall reduction of acne lesions between tazarotene and tretinoin. Pero guys, since tazarotene is theoretically more effective and works faster than your other retinoids, there is reason to say that tazarotene might actually be more irritating compared to your other retinoids, even tretinoin. So guys, di ba, tretinoin medyo irritating na siya to some individuals. Imagine mo, mas irritating pa dyan si tazarotene. So sinasuggest ng mga studies guys that a significant portion of tazarotene users actually experience some degree of irritation, especially during initial use. So nakaka-experience sila ng dryness, irritation, redness, and flaking of the skin. Pero guys, in theory, yung mga signs of irritation na ito, they usually go away as your skin adapts to the retinoids that you're using over time. So guys, if medyo sensitive and hyperreactive yung skin natin and also if we have dry skin, baka hindi masyadong wise to start your anti-acne treatment with something like tazarotene. And guys, sun sensitivity is a significant concern in terms of using tazarotene. Kaya guys, huwag natin kalilimutan ang ating broad spectrum sunscreen. Favorite natin, ang Mont Delure Tinted Boost Sunscreen. Pero guys, kahit may sunscreen na tayo sa ating face, as much as possible, wag pa rin tayong magpapaaraw. Kasi pag nainitan ng face natin guys, maaari pa rin tayong magkaroon ng mga reactions. Also guys, if using retinoids, baka maging dry ang ating face, kailangan nating suportahan ang ating balat with a skin barrier repair moisturizer. Favorite natin ang Hydrolac Light Moisturizer because it has complete skin barrier repair ingredients such as ceramides, fatty acids, and cholesterol. And also has hyaluronic acid which attracts water from the environment and gives it to your skin. And guys, to answer lang the question from the comments, so be careful lang tayo pag gagamit tayo ng other active ingredients such as acids with your tazarotene kasi nga medyo irritating na ang tazarotene to begin with pag ginamitan pa natin ito together in the same routine ng mga acids or other active ingredients, maaaring mag-increase ang risk natin for irritation. So if you want to use acids, let's use acids in low concentration and use it in the morning and use tazarotene at bedtime. So ideally guys, with retinoids such as your tazarotene, ideally talaga ang aim natin is to be able to apply it daily. Kaya lang, if medyo sensitive and dry ang skin natin, if you want to try tazarotene, please use a pea size or very small amount and enough na yun for the whole face natin. So you can start by applying it 3 times a week at bedtime, and then after 2 to 4 weeks, if you feel like your skin is getting used to your tazarotene, you can increase the application to 4 times a week, then every 2 weeks increase the frequency of application until you are able to tolerate daily application. Pero guys, for my patients, kung naghahanap yung patient ko na mas effective and faster na klase na treatment para sa kanilang acne, and also gusto nilang ma-lessen ang potential for irritation and other complication, I would rather give my patients oral medications in combination with your standard retinoids kagaya ng tretinoin or your retinol. And in my opinion, ang approach na ito ay mas magiging effective, mas mas faster ang onset ng effect and mas lesser risk of purging compared to using tazarotene and other topical combinations. And guys, I checked the FDA portal kanina and so far, ang FDA approved na tazarotene here in the Philippines is Tazret. So just be careful guys of other brands out there. Always go for FDA approved topical medications and remember guys, consult your board certified dermatologist because tazarotene is a prescription medication. Alright guys, I hope this helps. For more acne tips, follow me at Basta Acne DMD. Bye DMD Stunners!